What's going on, you guys? Today I bought a Lucky Miner. I have a few of these, like mini USB ones, right? And these are pretty solid. I won't go into full detail because pretty simple and pretty, straightforward. These are already pre-programmed. You can do the flash memory as well to other cryptocurrencies in the programming, but I'm just gonna be doing this real quick. So basically, all you have to do is plug it into anything that has a USB, right? Like this. Plain and simple. Program it. You set it up on your Wi-Fi, which is gonna be 2.5 gigahertz, and then yeah. So let me plug it in, and I'll show you guys. As you can see, I plugged it into my mini PC that I have just for work purposes, right? Because I do have a other job that I do on the side. But as soon as you see this is where you want to go to. Okay, from there, you want to set up and look for this Lucky Miner AP. And then the password for this will be completely different from what you know. Because after that, you go to your web browser, right? Because once this is all set up, it should be here. So the password for this one, because it runs off Wi-Fi, will be MineYourCoins. I'll put the password here. Okay. Then after you're done, you want to go to configure Wi-Fi. And then just type in, your network name and everything. Make sure you add, depends on what pool you want to use. You can do this and then pool port. Always add your Bitcoin address, because this, just in case if you hit, this is where all your Bitcoin is going to go. You can get 3.5 Bitcoin or 3.2 if I'm not mistaken. And then from there, you just collect the rewards. They take, I think, 5% of whatever. So I think Bitcoin right now is about $70,000 a coin. So you get roughly a little over $200,000 in Bitcoin. And then from there, 5% of that is like, what, $13,000? All right, let me set this up so I can show you. Okay, after you finish. So basically when you add everything in, it's gonna do its thing where it's gonna show on there. You'll see. So let me hit save. And then when you get this, don't worry about it. It's just basically saving all the information that you added on there. But once it's corrected and it's done, you should see this change. I'll get back when this is done. Okay, so I didn't get it because I wasn't fast enough. It did say initializing, and then this is what it does when it's officially up and running and you configured everything. It's going to have all the stats and statistics. And then also, there's also a website where you can view everything that you're mining from your wallet. I'll show you that right now. Okay, so this is all the miners I have running currently. I have 9 sessions with a hash rate of 832 gigahash, with a session best difficulty at 76.10 and network difficulty at 133.79 tera, with a network hash of total of 901. And I still have more coming. And then block height, and then your best difficulty is 1.9 G. So yeah. And then you have all the your hashes right here that shows that everything that's running and how fast it's running. Hope this helps. This is web.public/pool.io. Everything I will link is going to be in the description, and also as well where to buy these. So I hope this helps everyone. This is a full tutorial, by the way. This is what I do every time I set one up.